Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you. So guys, Apple just releases iOS 17.0.1 and iPad OS 17.0.1 with all the bug fixes like camera issues and app crashing issues, notification sounds not working, and many other issues. So guys, Apple just released iOS 17.0.1 to the public, which are minor updates with bug fixes. 3 days after the public release of iOS 17.0, users who wish to download iOS 17.0.1, you can do so by navigating. Go to the settings. So scroll down, tap on general, tap on software update. So wait for it. So here you can see, so guys, iOS 17.0.1, the update is available on my iPhone. So simply you can see, so simply tap on update now into your password and just wait for it. Tap on agree. So guys, here is the iOS 17.0.1 version. Is it available on your iPhone? So update your iPhone to new version to fix your all your bugs like notification sounds and many other issues. So guys, so guys, here is the simple method to install iOS 17.0.1 on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.